Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kiran Khokhar, back with another video for you guys. I have started this series where I'm sharing with you some winter outfits, winter styling, some accessories, and this video is going to be part of it. So I have got you today a video which is on scarf styling. मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि विंटर वार्डरोब कभी भी एक स्कार्फ के बिना कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज स्कार्फ एक ऐसी एक्सेसरी है जो कि आपके एक आउटफिट के अंदर एक चार्म ऐड कर देती है, एक कैरेक्टर ऐड कर देती है, be it in the form of color, print, or the styling of it. It adds a lot of character to your outfit and enhances it in many ways. So besides providing warmth, it is a very important accessory which, if you utilize it well, it can really make your outfit graceful. So that is our today's video is going to be about, and I'll be sharing some ways with you in which you can style your scarf and upgrade your winter styling. So without any further delay, let's get started. So मैं जो पहला स्कार्फ यूज़ करने वाली हूँ वो है ये ब्लैंकेट स्कार्फ है in full length, and I have also shown it in my Sarojini video. So if you haven't checked it out, you can check it out in the link. So I'll show you quickly जो शुरू के basic ways हैं how to style them. The first one is the most basic one is like this, that you just keep the scarf on both equal lengths, both the sides, and you just drape it like this, right? And the second one you go around is like this. So you just turn it around and it becomes your second style. So the third way is to just tie it in the front. So the third way is this one, which is like a necktie kind of thing. You can take it up by pulling the back side. जितना इसको आपको ऊपर तक लेके जाना है, or you want to pull it down, so you can do it like this. This is called necktie method. So this is the third one. The fourth one is to just wrap it around on both the ends. So just like this. अब आपको चाहिए तो आप इसको pin up कर सकते हो, and or either you can just let it be like this. So this is the fourth style. So you have just covered your front part. इसके ऊपर आप चाहो तो overcoats डाल सकते हो, and you can just let it be like this also, where you can utilize this trick when there are colder days but not so colder days. So you just want to wear a cute top inside and just want to feel the warmth. So you can wrap it around your body like this. So this is how it looks like. So the fifth one is that I pull the sides inside and then just use a rubber band to tie it, and it becomes like this. Very easy to do और bulky भी नहीं लगता है, and specifically for scarves like these which are huge, this really works really well. So for the sixth one, you can also drop the shoulders down and wear it like this. So it will give you a pojo-like feeling and looks really classy and will match up with all your outfits as well. So for the seventh style, I'm using a different scarf. What I'm going to do is wrap it around like this and then this. So when you're here, when both of the ends are here, so you just twist it and take both the scarves out from here. This will be like a net loop and it will keep you really warm from the neck area. So this is the seventh style. So for the eighth one, what I'm going to do is, I have this part, so I will take this part on this side, and the other one I have this loop here, so I will just pass it through this loop and this will be like a link. So ये भी मेरा one of the favorite styles में से है. बहुत ही easy to do है. थोड़ा सा tricky लगेगा initially to get a hang of it, but otherwise you will find it really easy to do. ये बहुत secure रहता है यहाँ पे and बहुत warm रहता है. Plus आप इसको जितना loose रखना चाहो, you can keep it. I like to keep it close to my neck whenever it's very winterish, but if you want to keep it really loose, you can do it that ways also. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the ninth one. ये भी बहुत trendy है and आपने काफ़ी सारे websites या Pinterest पे इसको देखा होगा और बहुत ही easy to do है. All you got to do is just wrap it around your body. So you just keep your scarf like this. Use any belt of yours, and all you got to do is just pull it through the sides and bring it in the front like this. And now you can just adjust it according to yourself कि आपको कैसे रखना है. आपको ये शोल्डर पे नहीं चाहिए तो आप उसको उस तरह से भी रख सकते हो. And you can just gather it around your waist, and this is how it looks like. So ये भी one of my favorite है. बहुत easy to do है and it looks really sharp and trendy. अगर आपका किसी दिन decide नहीं हो पा रहा है कि क्या top पहनना है, so you can just do this gather and wear an overcoat over it, and this will look really stylish. So that's about it, and it will look like this from behind. And if you want, you can just pull it out, noose रख के. So you can just pull it out like this, and this is how it will look from behind, and from the front this will be the look. So बहुत ही stylish look है, बहुत ही comfortable है. You can easily move your arms around, plus you will stay warm. So this is also one of my favorite looks. You can wear it over the skirts also. You can wear it over your denims, trouser, whatever you want. Even you can try this look with your suits and saris. This is going to look fabulous on them as well. So this was my 9th scarf style, and I'm going to show you a bomb style, which is the 10th one, and you will absolutely love it. I'm sure about that. So for the last and the 10th one, I'm going to use this scarf. I'm going to create a top out of it. आपको इसको ऐसे wrap around करना है अपनी waist के पास. You can use a pin or a rubber band as per your convenience. फिर उसके बाद ये जो आगे के दो ends हैं, these also you will tie. So इनको बांधने के बाद you're just gonna let it be like this. And जो पीछे से ये है, you're going to bring it in the front. In this part, you will just pass it through your neck. Voila! And you're done. So this is the 10th style. As you can see here, it is my scarf top, and nobody will know that it's a scarf top. This is why I love these hacks. It looks really cool and बहुत ही stylish भी दिखता है. अगर आपके scarf में कुछ detailing है like these fringes and all, so it's gonna look really nice. ये थोड़ा सा inside से slippery हो सकता है. If you want, you can pin it up from both the sides, and then you're good to go. So I carry this style. कभी भी मुझे जैसे कुछ sleeveless पहनना होता है, but I'm not in a mood to carry an extra coat or a jacket, so then I go for this style because then it keeps my arms warm. Still, I do not have to get very bulky with the layering. So this looks really stylish and I love it. So this was my 10th scarf style for today. I know some more scarf styles which I would love to share with you. Let me know if you want to know them, and tell me in the comment section if you want to see a video on them as well. I would come back and bring those styles for you guys. And if you want me to style some scarves with some outfits, do let me know about that also. For this video, this will be all, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. And I hope you're subscribed to my channel because I make weekly videos and I'm sure you will love them. You can check out other videos also on my channel. I upload them on weekly basis. Also, you can get connected to me on my social media links, which are mentioned right here. I upload daily reels and videos and pictures on my Instagram, and I would be really happy to see you there. Thank you so much for watching my videos and giving your precious time. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.